And sometimes we can sit in kind of a coffee shop,
Okay.
local one.
Local.
Okay?
Yeah.
We find a good place there. Not a tourist one.
The local,
Yeah.
traditional,
Yeah.
original,
Right.
not modern.
Yeah. I want to feel about it. Yeah. Classic.
Hookah. You know?
Smoking?
Yeah, smoking.
Not today. Thank you.
It's also local.
Yeah, I know. But I'm right now. I maybe walk a little bit more. Then can eat it. Right now, enough.
Your food.
Not full. It's spicy. It's hot inside.
Yeah. 10 piece momo food.
You know, Shanghai people don't eat too spicy food.
Really?
Yeah. We are eating something always sweet.
Oh.
Can we check out, please? Hello.
Hello, namaste.
Namaste.
Mala.
What?
Which mala you like?
Mm, I'm okay, but my friend wants it. Yeah, Tibetan friends. They, yeah, they want it, so I just look around it.
Which one? Vidi. Vidi mala.
Just look at.
Where from you?
China.
China.
Yeah,
China.
China. I'm Chinese.
Chinese.
He's Chinese too.
This one, good one, this. This Pumya Buddhi.
Yeah, yeah.
Pumya Buddhi, Lumya Buddhi, Chingkang Buddhi.
Yeah.
यो के हो भनेको यो चाहिँ के भयो यो के हो भनेको लोटसबाट
What do you mean?
I told him which natural is made of lotus.
Looks good, but I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm not sure if she wants it or not. I taking,
Picture.
yeah.
Which one?
Can I take a picture? Thank you. She wants the red one. I don't know. Okay, I send her.一朵啦，就是这个样子的，你看，那也不多了。大步的的，忙不忙不嘞？俺还没过嘞。That's a lot, right? I don't understand it. Okay, she give me an answer then.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Wali zolamayın.
Namaste.
Mangbu
You understand it, right?